Okay, so we're going to be doing math. It's a fifth grade math, and we're going to be doing it online. You can use this link for it. Gosh, I couldn't think of the word. Um, all right, so you just are going to want to press intro to begin with, and they'll actually talk to you.
Hi, I'm Chip.
Oh, hi there. My name is Otto. Welcome to the Fantasia construction site. As you maybe saw on the news, we are building a new playground. I need your help in deciding how and where to fit the rides and attractions that we have planned for the playground. As you can see, there is still a lot of work to be done. Each area has a different shape. The shapes can be identified by the number of angles they have. We have a triangle with 3 angles. We also have a quadrilateral, 4 angles, a pentagon, 5 angles, a hexagon, 6 angles, a heptagon, 7 angles, and of course, an octagon, 8 angles. In the middle of the park is a swimming pool. I'm sure I don't need to tell you what shape a swimming pool has. Okay, let's get started.
All right, so after that's done, it'll bring you back out to this menu, and you'll see all these different lessons you can click on. You don't have to go in order. You can click on any of these, but we're going to start with this one, identify the shape.
Shapes can be identified by counting the angles. See if you can use the table with the Greek numbers to name the shapes.
All right, so it's going to give you a shape, and it gives you a table with numbers and then just the beginning of the word. So you can count the sides of the shape. So we're going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to come up here and find 6. Well, it says hex. So this must be a hexagon. So we're going to click on it.
Good job.
So that means it's right. So if you need help,
Do you want help with this exercise?
actually
Please,
come over and click on
me.
him, and he'll help you. And down here, this green one means that you already finished number 1 and you got it right. And now we just have 2, 3, 4, and 5 left with this lesson. So now we're at 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a tetra. So this one's kind of trickier because there's not a tetra down over here, right? Well, it's a quadrilateral because there's 4 sides, so quad.
Great.
Well, what about this guy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octo. So it must be an octagon.
Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Deca, so it must be a decagon.
Hooray!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hepta, so it must be a heptagon.
Good job.
Alright, so once you're done, it'll tell you, congratulations, you have won 2 stars.
Thanks. Let's see what else needs to be done in the playground.
Alright, so once you finished, it'll bring you back out to here, and you have 4 more lessons to get done. So once you've done all these, you can click on certificate, which is right here, and it's not lit up because we haven't finished these. Once you finish those, you can click on this and you can fill out your name and actually print it out for finishing it, which is pretty cool. And then you can actually press on next lesson. It could take you to another lesson if you want to do another lesson. It's all laid out the same, so it's nothing, no new tricks. You can start any way you want. You don't have to listen to the intro if you don't want to. You can just go straight into the lessons, and it also has a certificate. You can go back to the previous lessons, and you can keep going if you would like. It's a pretty cool e-learning foundation for kids. I think it's from kindergarten to 5th, maybe higher. but it's a pretty neat learning center.